All right, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to continue the project we started last week. We're going to be putting up some background claws on that wall where we put the curtain last week, suspended from the shelf right up here and behind the curtain, so we can actually close the curtain but have those backgrounds behind it. So we have a black background and a white background that we can suspend. And it'll be as easy as 1, 2, 3. So we've got our backdrop hung up here. In this case, it's the black backdrop. As we showed you, you can simply flip that around to get your white backdrop. Got our curtains that we can pull, and basically that just provides a little bit of extra sound dampening. It just kind of hides them for aesthetics in the room as well. But between these claws, which provide a little bit of air gap between the back wall here and then another air gap between the closet and the backdrop, should provide even more sound absorption in the room. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, give us maybe a subscribe or definitely a thumbs up. Leave us a comment and let us know what you liked or didn't like about this video. And keep checking back on this channel. We're going to be posting some more stuff as we continue to build this home studio. See you later.